Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A77s. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Display and Brightness, and right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change display mode between light and dark. We can also schedule the dark mode, and in more dark mode settings we can change dark mode style, adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast in low light conditions, and enable dark mode for third-party apps. Then we can change brightness level of the display manually or automatically via auto brightness. Then we can change screen color mode between vivid and natural, and screen color temperature. Next, we can enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it, and also change color temperature and enable display effects like colors and black and white. Then we can enable change font size and font weight. Also, we can enable or disable adaptive font weight. Then we can change display size between large, standard and small, enable or disable video color enhancer, auto rotate screen, and change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Next, we can change screen refresh rate between high and standard, and enable full screen mode for apps or hide notch for apps. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.